Nigel couldn't let first go this time. Had to get it as soon as possible. Feel like something's wrong. Don't know what. Anyway, Hi Penguin Operator. Why are you still not on the leaderboard? You should probably get there. At some point or another. So yeah, I was saying I will figure something out. In between streams I didn't. And I don't even remember what it was. So I guess we'll be... Well, you can redeem second though. Or does it not work? Huh? I can see it at least. And I can probably redeem it. And now refresh the page. Okay, let's see. So what were we doing? Actually, simple should tell. Simple. I assume I was going to do like conditionals or something. Just refresh the page, you can claim second. Or third if somebody claims second. I don't know why. As for this leaderboard, you need to catch plushes together. And it's really quite... Oh, here we go. And it's really quite simple to beat QVman with 3. Ideally... Oh wow. You're known to make experimental games. The experience of your game is encoded in the action of transpiling Raskolnikov. I was like expecting it to say something like action of pain and suffering. Or more IOTA stuff. Iterate on previous program, you wrapped it in module. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, hold on. Let me... Here. Should be able to see it. What is this? So IOTA's here. And I assume... Yeah, this is exactly the same. Then Bean 3... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we have a node, data and shape. Shape! Okay, whatever. Leaf, left, left, right. Whatever. Use bin 3 asterisk. Ow. Oh my god, why did you do this to me? Okay, let's see. So you have bin binary 3. Wait, you have add. Hold on, what is this? Display for node. Okay, I assume we can change the stream title because it's gonna be for the until the end of the stream. If the result right, data colon. If it's a leaf, nothing here. Okay, makes sense, I guess. Node root. I guess you should have named it leaf, in my opinion. I don't know. Wait. What is wait? Done. It did really change it. Rust is plus. Okay, whatever. And also no capital letters except for the first one. Whatever, sure. Number of nodes in the tree. Oh! Oh no. What is this? Piano. Whatever. Oh my god, what is this? Not 1 adds 0 or wait into not. What is this? Wait, net is natural, isn't it? You wanted to be generic over numeric types. Ow. Even if I, like, if I said I'm gonna use C++, I didn't mean that you should make everything generic. Why is this called like that? 0 or... No! Why? Currently only implemented for research. Wait, what? Do you actually add them? Oh my god, you do actually add them. Why would you do that? What is add? Oh wait, add is like, as in like add. Oh, and it also takes self for some reason, without mutating it. Why? Why is this immutable? Okay, natural 1. Successor of 0. Great. Imagine how bad it would be for performance. Add for nats. Okay, matches. Pattern matching, great. Add for nat. Yeah, sure. From nat into nat. Why does it inherit sized? Wait, what? Okay, that's gonna take a while. I can tell already. Trait method returns self. Whatever. Okay, and then you have IOTA simple iterator. Oh, you add 100 elements into there, don't you? Oh, and you also... Why? Oh my god. So you add 100 elements in there. Oh, and you used an operator for no reason. See, I'm not transpiling operators, by the way. Because I'm doing basically C, but with generics. New binary tree, node root. Next. Like, why? Why though? What's the point? It's not too difficult, but it's out of... it's off from the goal. Too long binary tree. Okay, let me do this. What's SLT? Wait, what is this? Oh wait, it's scripting language tournament. Right. Still balanced binary tree because it always adds to the lighter side of it. Oh my god, you also made it balanced. Wait. Oh, you have weights. Ow. Whatever. I can transpile this, right? Challenge RS. So I'm gonna also do challenge CPP. So now I need to comment all of it out. Okay, let's start with main. Wait, here. I have no idea how I'm gonna transpile trade, by the way. But I mean, good things are there, I guess. Okay, let's take IOTA first. Shouldn't be that hard. I'm gonna use namespaces. Also I am gonna include some C headers, including assert. Okay, it's not gonna be as easy, like I couldn't test stuff incrementally because you have a single assert. Should the assert include what else do I need? std def. No, I'm not doing C assert, I'm doing this. I just I don't know. I never include C headers. I always include headers this way. I just don't know why. It is a convention in C++, but I'm not doing it. Allow that code. Okay, I may not transpile that. Also, why is there that code allowed? Oh, by the way, so we can optimize that code a little bit. Right, this is unused. This is unused. Just kidding. Yeah, I know. Anyway. Let's keep traits for now as well. No, I'm not gonna include it. Because I'm doing it in C, I'm doing it differently. Wait, in C++. Also in C++ convention changed, so I'm gonna capitalize it as always. If only I remembered how structs work. I'm even gonna do iota new. Wait. I mean, naming convention is different. And yeah, generics obviously are different. And yeah, since I have generics, I wanna try redoing traits properly. So yeah, I mean, technically, I could include this here statically. And this would be a namespace. Just for the sake of namespacing. No. I'm gonna do it quickly. So just for the sake of namespacing, I'm also gonna do this. Because like, I could do an iota lowercase I namespace, but why wouldn't I do this instead? Wait. Here, here, here. Oh, also, I'm pretty sure... Well, we worked for like, what, for 10 minutes probably, something like that already. So yeah, I'm pretty sure C nerfed, oh wait, C++ nerfed brace enclosed initializers. Or like whatever this, aggregate initialization it's called. A little bit. Wait, also, I was supposed to return. It's not the point of no return. Let's see if it compiles. G++. No, it's C++. I don't have to do parentheses, I think. Because it's... Wait. Right. C++ is different from C. Like, I don't have to do type defs, for example, as well. What's wrong with it? I haven't written C++ in a bit. Expected unqualified ID before new. What's wrong? Class? No, I don't want to make it a class. Because if I do this, is it gonna compile? No, it's not gonna compile. It's just... I don't remember how functions are declared. Yeah, you can put methods and structs. C++, I'm not sure if static methods do work though. I'm pretty sure you can. This is valid, right? Don't get what's wrong? What if I change it to int? I don't know. Wait, no, still wrong. What's wrong though? Expected unqualified identifier before function name. Okay, maybe it's static part. Although I don't know. No, it's not static either. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Here, that's better. Expected semicolon now. Where? What? And I'm pretty sure it was working like that. Yeah. Wait, here. C++ aggregate initialization. I'm pretty sure there are limits to it. Possibly the fact that I have a method. Where are conditions? Wait. No user declared constructors, no user provided inherited or explicit constructors, no constructors, no private or protected direct non-static data members, no base class, no virtual classes, no virtual member functions, no default member initializers. Huh. So why why are you like this? Do I just do this? Wait. No. Oh, I'm done. Rust again. Here. And what's wrong? Static linkage because I assume I need to do this. Right. Now I can use this auto mute. I was actually about to do mute. IOTA yay. It works. I think. Now, let's declare next. Oh wait, I need to do options. Right, I need to do an option. Actually, I can use std optional, but no, I'm not gonna do that. Template. Type name T. I'm not gonna do generic bounce either. Struct option. Now, I'm gonna do static. Yeah, I'm gonna do lowercase. I'm just gonna inline it because quicker. Oh, wait, return. I actually don't remember how generics in C++ work. I forgot everything. Okay, it still works, surprisingly. It still compiles. Can you hear the clap? There. Here's compile scheme. Now options, yay. So yeah, I guess. Actually, You know what, I'm not gonna do static members. I'm gonna do them for options, but I'm gonna do namespace instead. This would be easier to manage. Also, technically namespaces actually format like this, but no. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, and also, so namespaces don't indent like normally. You don't. Next. Mutable self. +1. Will this compile? No, it won't, because yeah. Oh, and also this doesn't work right. Field. And also, I need to change this to iota lowercase. Actually, I'm thinking of getting rid of namespaces as well. Used without template arguments, line 79. Because I need T apparently here. Or do I? Oh, it's size T. Right. Now. Yeah, I feel like I want to... I mean, I'm gonna keep namespace for the module. But... yeah, that's a weird choice, but... yeah. Anyway, so let's go on to binary tree now. And I'm gonna touch on traits soonish. Namespace, binary tree. Reuse. Do I need reuse? I don't think I need to convert reuse. Because there's no such thing as FMT and opt in std. Template type name D struct node D data. I'm also not gonna do private public stuff because structs. Oh, and also you kindly used visitor pattern again and literally also do I do reuses here? I don't think I do reuses. I mean, I can just define stuff. So yeah, you kindly put this under the node type. How much do I need to do to start blaming Nigel? Template type name D struct enum tag. Well, actually, I'm not gonna do a union because they have the same names, but I mean, left. So it's a box. Do we convert a box to shared pointer? Oh wait, unique pointer actually. Should I? No, I shouldn't. Yeah. I don't want to. Actually, I mean, I guess I could make a unique pointer myself at this point. Ah, you know what? Sure, struct box. Do you also do static members? I do. I also probably will do static members. I'm not gonna implement operators on it, or am I? I think I'm overthinking it actually. Yeah, instead of box, let's just use memory. Memory. I mean, shared pointer uses too much. I'm just no. Will I do that? Will I do that? No. Will or will not. Static box. Actually, I'm gonna do. Should I? Welcome back. Should I use well, yeah, for the sake of simplicity, I guess I'll just do static new underscore. Yeah, I thought about it, and I guess that's it. Should I do an operator for? I don't know. It's not. It was not meant to be safe. Also, I don't think actually I can make drop take self. Although I'm not gonna worry about move semantics at all, whatsoever. Should I overload an operator for it? Since you asked me to do that. To overload operators. Oh, ads are in progress. No need. Okay. Let's start. Such late. Actually, not that late. It just started, so I guess fine. Okay, where was the box? We do through semicolons, right? Now it does compile, it doesn't compile, obviously. Well, I need to. Oh, wait. Okay, I can't write C++ like that. I can't. I just can't. Oh, you're kidding me. Okay, it compiles now. Why did you use visitor? Not we'll do trace later a little bit. No, templates, type name, the node of the root data. Oh, do I do constructors? Should I do constructors for each of the variants? I think I should. I'm also gonna do static real quick. Add over. Okay, good. In 3D. Yeah, that's so difficult. The fact that I put stuff statically into structs is also messing with me a little bit. I mean, to be fair, I only did this for nums and for box. Literally for box. Also, I'll need to make a destructor. Oh my god. Yeah, actually, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of this for box. I'm gonna move box stuff outside of it. So I'm only gonna I'm only gonna use static for num variants. Although this does mean I need to duplicate generics. Also, I'm pretty sure it's gonna ask me to do this. Box drop. Oh, self. Wait, I scrolled past it. Initvar. Finally a good programming language. What? How is that good? How can you consider that good? 124. Oh, yeah. Constructors for enum variants. To be honest, I forgot so much C++ that it's even more difficult. As in with T, I guess tag equals leaf left. Actually, I don't care about left and right when I do leaf. Left. Left. Pretty sure I can do something like that. Left, right. Left, right. Okay, so those are constructors for the enum. Now. So what was the shape originally? I'm pretty sure it was leaf. True. Oh. Frames, but oh no. Oh no, my network, no. Should be fine now. I haven't done anything, but I just dropped a few. Yeah, seems fine again. Okay, so how do I fix this? I'm just gonna prefix it with V. Or actually, I'm gonna put an underscore here for no reason. Expected primary expression. Oh, what? You don't like this? What? Repeat. No, not again. Oh, come on. Should it be better now? I don't know. We'll see. Also, is my camera... No, camera is fine. Relatively. It's because of C++. C++ is bad. C++ is an awful language. 6 seconds. Refresh would help, probably. Okay, what are you... What's wrong? Struct node. Have I missed something? Missing template arguments before parentheses. Okay, I'm gonna add template arguments. 6 seconds is actually amazing. No, it's not. Expected primary expression. Oh my god, what's wrong with you? Why are you not considering this an aggregate initializer? I literally did the same here. Yeah, and it's just angry. Okay, this compiles. Oh wait, I know why. Like that. Yay. Okay, C++ errors are awful, apparently. Okay, I'm not gonna do wait just yet. Can I already create a node? I can. Iota next. Nah, it's not gonna be Iota next. Okay, I guess I can't really push traits off anymore. I mean, I do, to be fair. So a trait. Okay, let's do a trait. Fine. Today I'm doing a trait the right way. Yeah, I thought about it a little bit since last time, and it is pretty insane. Also, I'm pretty sure I remember how to write function pointers this time. Fortunately, Rust uses self and C++ uses it, so no clashes here. Now, next peekable. Actually, I'm not sure. Actually, no, I think. Okay, I wonder if this is gonna work. If what I have in mind is gonna work. By the way, this is not move semantics. I don't care. I'm not doing moves. I'm gonna go copies at this point. Peekable. Oh wait, I need peekable first though. I mean, no, I do wanna try. I do wanna try one thing on it though. So no, I'm gonna keep it. It's type name T, type name I. What job do I have? High cache J over on the YouTube site. I don't. Simple answer, I don't have a job. Okay, now what? Peak. Wait, is there no new? Oh, there is no new. Right. Oh, and I need to move peekable up. I don't earn. I mean, I do kinda earn on Twitch, but I don't. YouTube chat. Yeah, I'm still in school. Technically. Well, technically right now I'm not. But actually no, I am still. Oh yeah, school starts in like few days. Hypoxy edits the username sounds familiar. Okay, pickable. So I need to put pickable here because yeah, forward declarations won't work. School for what? Regular school with no degrees. Just regular high school. I mean, actually, it has a tilt towards math and what do you call this in English? Hold on. You work on freelance. I also used to do a little bit of freelance, but haven't found much freelance jobs for me. Social science, whatever. I'm from Belarus. So yeah, I'm not very good at social science. I know. What did both of me was to freelancing? Well, there is an app you can download on Google Play, or literally a website you can register and just do it there. For me, it was fl.ru, which is a Russian website, but doesn't really matter. Back then, it worked. Okay, what do I need? I've done one job, which was making an Android app to receive messages from an Arduino-based Bluetooth thingy and displays them and write them to a log file, basically. I don't know Indian, so I can't really tell if I like it or not. And also I did one more, which wasn't like freelance, but it was much more fun. It was much more work though. I made so there's a PCB, there was a pre-made PCB which I had to solder, program, and also design a case for. Masking usually done through programming. What is masking? Hi Ren. My goal after high school and everything. I don't know after everything, but after high school I guess I need to go to university. Hi Clippy. Just gotta enter the stream at least once per stream. You gotta admit that you're Clippy. Data masking. What even is masking? What is data masking? I mean, I know what bit mask is. That's about it. Also, I know what solder mask is, but that's probably unrelated. Well, no, it is very unrelated. You know, AI might take over parts of our fields. Oh, about... Well, I don't have a plan. I'm just writing compilers, and I plan to continue. I don't know how I'm gonna get a job at some point after university. I hope I can monetize on Twitch and YouTube, but probably not. I mean, who knows? And I am also technically a member of Texelware, where I also can work. Which I guess, I mean, I also like this job, except that I still haven't fixed assembly, which I broke. See, I'm just gonna throw naming conventions out of the window for this function. You're in Canada. Well, I'm in Belarus. And I don't know if you know any universities like nearby me. But I'm not sure, to be honest. I haven't researched it enough yet. Wait, pickable item and wait, self and item. Wait, I missed something. Self and item, yeah. So yeah, I'm not sure yet about the university I want to go with. It's difficult to predict these things, but just do your own. I guess. Nigel said, not gonna join YouTube under any circumstances. YouTube chat. Um, well, I'm not gonna get into good university with my grades. Because, okay, I am probably able to get relatively good marks with maths and physics, which is still not gonna be enough. If I nail the language, I'm not gonna be able to go where I want to go. And yeah, I'm not gonna nail language. I'm gonna consider myself lucky if I can get 50% in language exam. I'm that bad at it, but fortunately there are Olympiads which hopefully might be able to help me, because they like allow me to go anywhere without exams. Which is pretty cool. Big able. Well, if not, if I prepare decently, then I guess I can. Then I guess I can get good enough grades to go somewhere. Okay, speakable default. Either self-picked none. Either. Self-picked. I wonder if this is gonna work. This might generate a new instance, it might not. I have no idea how it's gonna work. Option none. Option of item. I'm pretty sure this should compile. It does compile. Oh my god. That is interesting. The trait that actually like exists and compiles. Now for peekable. Ooh. Fortunately I don't have to worry about bounds. Type name. I type name T. Okay, so you had self well I mean, okay, no. Oh, actually yeah, it's fair enough. Those were those generics, I basically made them. But like, we switched to single letters here now. Oh yeah, you only have YouTube live chat open. I mean, fair enough. You don't need to stream yourself. You know Java. So all this is interesting to you, but you're lost. Java is a pretty nice language. I have used it a lot. It was my favorite language at some point. You're lost. What do you want? Everything is like interesting. Option I peak. What's it? Wait, peakable peak. Self. It's what taught in. Well, you know what is taught in my school? Pascal, ABC. And yeah, I don't even know it because, well, I don't do Pascal in my school. Because, like, why would I? I mean, I do kind of know some of it. But, like, Pascal is such an old language. And it's so useless right now. Like, it doesn't even teach you good practices. Because in Pascal, you're gonna put all variables in one place and then reference them later. That's not how it works anymore. That's like first C standard used to use stuff like that, but not anymore. Wait, what am I doing? I should copy that. I mean, okay, so we didn't have Pascal classes. Pascal was mixed with Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Paint. And I mean, I do know it a little bit, and it's not hard to learn at all. For me, at least. I mean, those are just old languages. You can't blame people for that. Okay, let's see. Peaked. If self-peaked is none, I'm not gonna do peaks. tag. I'm just gonna check tag. I'm not gonna do if is none. I'm not gonna worry about it for now. Self peaked equals self arrow iter dot next. Wait, arrow. No, dot next. Wait, no. Um. Oh, this is where it gets fun. Oh, that's why generics don't quite work out. Or do they? I mean, since we have names. Hackathons. I mean, I did one hackathon in Scratch forever ago. I mostly do game jams though. Like in summer. During the summer there are many cool game jams I like to do. Although this summer I only did one yet for now. And I'm still editing a video for it. It's a bit of a pain. So how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna get the trait for the type T? So let me just TS iter. Or yes, so if only I could get T simple. I think I can wait. C starting. I'm not really gonna be able to get the associated type though. So I'm not sure. Oh, this thing didn't update, yay. Peekable peak is peak naming. Exactly, Corgi High. I can get recognized through hackathons. I know. I actually don't really know what hackathons are, really. I can get recognized through streaming. I guess, partially. I can get recognized through Olympiads very well, but it requires a bit of effort to get far. Interesting. What's interesting? Okay, so clone is gonna clone itself. Okay, so let me just comment this out for now. See what's wrong. Oh wait, peekable peak for peekable TI. Right. Here. The ones you've done, they're mainly about building apps and presenting them. Capture the flag events. What is it? This is not Emacs. You get 72 hours. Well, yeah, I don't really know anything about those. Because I don't think I have ever seen a hackathon except for the one. So I also, fun fact, I also participate in competitions, robotics competitions. Sometimes even go to Russia, and there is Starline Hackathon. Starline is the main sponsor of the competitions I go to, and Hackathon Starline is where you. It is 18 and above, so I can't really participate in it yet. Although if I ask, I might be able to. Might be able to participate in it. So point is, they give you like expensive robots with lidars and stuff, and well, you have two of them. You can do some modifications to some extent, but not much. And then you need to write code for them from scratch within like a set time frame, which with one robot has. So one robot has all sensors disabled, and another robot must find it in the maze and get out. What robotics organizations? You did FRC. What is FRC and VEX? I have not heard of those. No. I did not think I was liking in English so much. In English knowledge. Although this does sound familiar. Okay, let me implement a trait or something. Like worldwide organization. Feather River College. First robotic competition. I assume this. First robotics competition combining the excitement of sport with the rigors of science. You know how big Vex is. Well, what is... Define an organization. First age. STEM stuff. Okay, so this is about... Robofinist, it's called. It's in Russia. That's the biggest I go to. And then in Belarus we have Educational Robotics Cup and Open Minsk Robot Tournament, I guess. It's kinda something like that. I don't really translate those names very often, you know. Template. Type name I. Name T. So this is a self. And now I need to implement simple iterator. I wish I could get generic. T item. Ooh. Wait, peekable. Well, I might be able to cheese it a little bit. Wait, the item is I. Yeah, I might be able to. I'm not quite sure how to do this, to be honest. Because it's just so generic. Generic traits. Yay. So... How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna... Thank you. How am I... This is C++, it is... Well, oh, YouTube stream title didn't change, right? We didn't change stream title on YouTube. I mean, I guess it's not a big deal. It is... I am rewriting Rust in C++. FN because I haven't rewritten this part yet. So you're very close to what it actually is. It is C++, but so I have a lot of Rust code commented there that I just rewrite in C++. That's a challenge from Nigel. Okay, so how do I handle generic traits? You know, maybe let me try doing a regular trait first. Actually, I don't know if I can. No, I can. FMT display. Let's create a display trait. Although I am gonna change display trait a little bit probably. Because I'm not gonna do formatter and stuff like that. Yeah. So I am gonna just make it take a string, a C++ string even. Or should I keep it like a C string? Because I'm too lazy to convert it. Box. Option. Should I do a C++ string? So display struct. Oh, and template type name self. So this is an interesting decision, you know. You can do dynamic dispatch with that, and you can do dynamic dispatch with even more crazy things. Also, I should probably check YouTube often because it does freeze sometimes. Yeah. So FMT. I'm not gonna do results either. FMT self. Oh, this is the first const pointer to self. F. I'm just gonna do std string. Because yeah, that's part of std. I was not subscribing to convert the whole Rust std into the language. I'm yet to do that though. I think this should work. So this is a display trait, right? And now we have display implementation for this, for the node type. How am I gonna implement display for node? Also, I'm not gonna implement display for numbers. I'm just gonna do to string conversion. Actually, how would I do display for numbers if it was real? If it was real. Because I'm doing a few crazy generic things. A little crazy. A little too crazy, probably. So original idea was member variables. How do you get an implementation for type though? For generic type specifically. Because I don't like putting a static member in here. I mean, I guess I have to kinda static, what is it? FMT. That's right, right? We also need to do this and oh my god. I need to do so much forward declaring. That's annoying. When? No. Just no. Well, maybe I... Probably no. Like, what would a web dev want on stream? Is it possible? Line 46... Yeah, struct, semicolon. Rewrite blog site. I mean, what should I rewrite on Infinite Code? It's beautiful, isn't it? And blogs. I mean, I do kind of need to finish this up, and I will also have to rewrite it because the static site generator I used for it, which is the one I wrote, is not maintained anymore by me. So I guess I'll rewrite it in something like Markdown. I mean, it's just Markdown. What can I do with it? I guess I will just take a random Markdown converter and use that. It's pretty beautiful. Anyway, so display now. What are you talking about? 163. Expected expression. Wait, expected this before semicolon. Oh, because there should be a comma. Oh, it compiles. Wow, I did not expect this to compile, to be honest. But I guess it does. Now I need to actually define this. Also, I'm not gonna do switch statements, I'm gonna do if else. Wait, there's no space here. Hi Muhammad again. I have no idea who this is. Tag. Bin3 has a tag, right? And yeah, I will have to do some C++ magic. Leaf. One of the best competitive programmers. Well, I'm not nearly the best competitive programmer, but I am a little bit. It isn't Rust, but it is C++. And if I remember correctly, this should compile. Except that I need semicolons there instead of colons, which for some reason I put in. Oh, and without templates. No, because the enum is declared inside of the struct. Yeah, here. Enum is declared inside of the struct, and that's why. Now, self-shaped tag is a leaf. Why have you not included enough tests in there? So that's parentheses. Do I stack them in one-liners? Keep stacking them in one-liners. Left, I can access left. You group and you made a personality test with an algorithm which is almost as accurate as the official MBTI. It's way better than 16 personalities. Because it's quite Rust code. Well, that definitely sounds interesting. That's a big claim, better than 16 personalities. I have done 16 personalities multiple times. Especially recently. And I feel like it changes quickly. But yeah, I guess I could try that. Left. Why did you include spaces here, by the way, Nigel? And then self shape left. Did RustFMT write the string literal, or was it you? Aaron plays MC. Hi. Got a meeting with the CEO of company in Canada, which is in charge of all school systems. Wow. Yeah, that was your readability. Why am I selecting? It's fine. Readability, you say? I mean, I guess it is kind of making it more readable. Anyway. So now I can stack those. And yeah, I know I can just do an else, but you didn't do an underscore here. So I'm not gonna. Okay, he's gonna endorse it. He can't put it in their system this year. Yeah, might have to wait. Pretty sad. Okay, left and then right. Comma space. Although left and right are boxes to nodes. So I'm gonna have to call node.fmt, or actually the traits analogs in C# and probably C++ are interfaces. No, in C++ there are abstract classes, but I'm not using that. I'm using a different system. I'm transpiling it as if it was C. So instead of calling node.fmt on this, and also I should call value, because this is a pointer, I would like to do it a little differently. So this is a type. How do I get a value for a type? I guess I could do like generic madness. More generic madness. More generic madness. I actually don't know. So this is a type. Can I get it somehow? I mean, I know it's a node. I guess I could do node.fmt here, but how would I get type actually, like properly? Okay, can I do this? I mean, I guess. Where's IOTA? IOTA next. IOTA next exists. Also, why did I do this? Oh, that's because display impl. Wait, I don't have to make it in line, right? Which means I can probably move this. I can probably get rid of forward declarations altogether, to be fair. Equal signs. I don't do lead code, I do code forces more, but I don't really train for competitive programming much, to be honest. I should probably train more. Although, as a matter of fact, do I have it on my contacts page? Probably don't. No, I do. Code forces. Yeah. This was a fun 4-week period, or what is it? Actually, it's not 4, it's 7 weeks. That's like 2 months of work. Solving problems almost every day. You can see my code forces profile. So those were preparations for Republic Olympiad, Republic level. And this is the week I got of rest, and this is a smiley face I made. I was like, basically every day I was like solving a problem or trying to solve a problem, except for this, and yeah, you get the idea. And then I decided, oh no, I'm not doing this again until I at least get some rest. I got some rest. I did one contest and then I got some more rest and I did another contest. And I just don't. I mean, I guess I would love to participate in some more contests with IOI rating style, because it is using ICPC rating style, which is well, most Codeforces contests are ICPC rating style, which is either you solve a problem or you don't, and you get points, or actually you don't get points. So you, first of all, the number of problems you or your team solved is checked, and if they're equal with somebody else to actually rate you, they check your penalty, which you get. The later you submit a problem, you get penalty, and well, actually in Codeforces it works a little differently, but similarly, relatively. And yeah, the more attempts you do, the more penalty you also get. IOI style, on the other hand, has subtasks, sub-problems. So each problem has sub-problems, and you can write your program that only solves like part of the problem. For example, you have a some sort of problem which has like a variable n, and there's a sub-problem for it, subtask, which has n equals 1. So if you make a program that solves for when n equals 1, it only works with n equals 1, then you can get some partial values. And then there are also open tests questions, open test problems, which are made to range people more, because there you are given tests, you can actually solve them as a human, but it's like 5,000 by 5,000 character map. You need to find like the best way to fit some stuff in there, and yeah, you're not gonna be doing this as a human. You wish, yeah, I could do competitions you have in Canada. Do you really think I would destroy C++ for what reason? Like lately I've been doing C++ only for competitive and embedded, I guess. I mean, to be fair, all my embedded projects and robots are programmed in C++. Including computer vision. Actually, no. I switched for the Fira Cars OpenCV thing for Python. Anyway, what was I doing? I was changing this display implementation. Scroll up a little bit. Class template argument deduction failed. What? Oh, that's because display of node of D. And I also need a template for this variable. This works. Yeah. And now next. Well, can I just do IOTA next? By the way, I don't know if it's gonna resolve the name and namespace. Unwrap. Oh no! You also want me to... No, you also want me to add unwrap to an option. Okay, fine. Triple C Waterloo. What is it? In free time. I wish I had a little more free time, but the most important option is result method in Rust. Definitely. So yeah, I wish I had a little more free time right now, but I don't have much. Does unwrap return a reference, or does unwrap take self? I think unwrap takes self. So yeah, right now I'm just busy with language tournament. I need to get ready for the first task. I have an idea for it, but I haven't even implemented it. It's gonna be pretty boring. First challenge is gonna be pretty boring. But yeah, I should already have a solution for it to just test how the challenge feels, but I don't. I haven't even written it yet. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. And also I'm editing a video, which I wanna finish. Self. Okay, wait. I'm returning an option. What's the point? Does it need to be safe, Nigel? Does it need to be safe? Or does it, or can it be unwrapped unchecked? I mean, I guess I can just do assert self tag. Does it compile? I think it does. Iota. Trick question, it can never be safe. Well, yeah, in C++ it's not gonna be safe. Wow, it compiles. Now, I kinda wanna print. Actually, just for this, because it's gonna be quicker, I can do IOStream. I do like printf better, to be honest. No display, just temporary, because I want to make sure display works first. Implementation works first. For display, this is right. Oh wait. Wait, node FMT. FMT. No matching function for call to node FMT bin3. I think I need a pointer here. That's just it. Oh wow, C++ is really angry at me. Oh wow, C++ is really angry at me. Huh. No match for operator plus equals on string and option. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? How is this working? Nigel, where is the challenger? Was it unwrapping there? No, it wasn't. Oh wait, no, data is not an option. Why is it an option there then? Huh. Wait, because node is because I forgot to do unwrap. Oh my god. C++ generics are too smart. Option unwrap. They deduced that this is an option because I pushed an option there. Oh wait, base open. There's dots, right? Where is unwrap? Yeah, I should have used the dot here. Colon parentheses, great. Exactly what I was looking for. I wonder what's up with that. I mean, I guess I could put std2 string here. This is just format details. Yeah, that works. Now, this is just a little test snippet. Oh wait, I don't have plus yet. So how I wanted to figure out how to actually resolve values, and I think I might have an answer, but this requires a little bit more from generic system. Generics must support associated items. Sorry, which is a feature in Rust. Or I guess generics. In Rust and C++, and basically in C it's implementable. So, How do I do this? I have a type. I know for a fact that it's a node type, bean3. I just don't have generics or like type name to reference it. I guess I could do type of. So if I do display impl, I mean that's not a great way to be honest. Because how traits are getting resolved? Wait, fmt, and then I can pass in bf. In theory, this should not change stuff. Qualified ID before dot token. Wait, what? With node of type size t, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this works. I'm gonna leave it for debugging for now. Now, more things to implement, like iterator traits, trait impulse. So yeah, ideally, I mean, I guess you can, instead of associated types, when we switch to C, you just manipulate names. Because I'm not doing generics via macros, so I can't really do that here. Let's start IOTA pickable. Pickable peak. Yeah, and now T. So there's display impl. There is gonna be simple iterator impl. So let me implement simple iterator for IOTA. What's simple iterator? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Self and item. Oh, also, I think this won't work because C++ is stupid. Because where is it? Where did I do default initialization? Because I have default initializer in the struct, in the iterator, in the simple iterator. Yeah, here I have a default initializer, so I can't really use aggregate initialization, I'm pretty sure. Which is like stupid. No, I can. What? 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 Okay, whatever. Whatever. And now I can. Well, I would love some tests for pickable, I guess. I guess I could copy them from like old main. So T is an iterator type. Simple iterator. So T is simple iterator. Okay, Nigel, next challenge is gonna be transpiling from Rust to Rust. Because I'm sick of C++. Wait, what am I doing? Simple iterator impl. Because C++ doesn't have associated types, which is dumb. I mean, it's not dumb. For 1 sec. No, it's not 1 second challenge. I'm gonna transpile everything except for generics. It's like, I mean, I will keep generics myself. I'm gonna use generics from Rust and associated types so I can associated types, associated functions so I can keep names. Actually, yeah, there is no point in really doing it. Okay, so what do we have here next? Oh my god, that's a long name I'm not gonna read. I have no idea what's going on, and you're so interested. Why are people like this? Why am I like this? I should do a bit of self-reflection. You're saying. I need to do a bit of self-reflection. I need to look. So I need to watch somebody's stream and somebody's programming stream and like look at how much do I understand their code. I don't really, but just also I'm not gonna implement iterator for Peekable because it's impossible. With I mean it is with visitor it's not possible. Or is it? No, it is possible, but I'm too lazy to reorganize stuff. Yeah, it is possible if I forward declare this, which means... Wait, no, it isn't. Is it? Or is it not? Okay, now I'm actually wondering, so I guess I will try that out. So I will have to forward declare the struct to then forward declare a method. Is it gonna work though? That's the question. Will it work if I forward declare a method on an invalid or like unknown type? Unsized yet. I'm pretty sure it won't. On an incomplete type, it does work. That is interesting. Which means I can add an iterator impl to it. So this is iota, and this is Peekable. Wait, this is simple iterator actually. Simple iterator. Peekable. Where's iota? Copy that. Put this here. Simple iterator implementation. Now, I need to... implement... We need to add the implementation actually. Peekable, Rust to Haskell. No, I don't know Haskell nearly enough. Simple iterator impl for Peekable. Okay, Peekable of self item. Wait. What is that? Peekable of TI. How did it end up self item? I mean, I know how it end up self item. Okay, so TI. Peekable TI. Simple iterator of Peekable TI, and item is I. Implementation Peekable next. I do need to implement next though. That does mean, oh, it's childress. Here. So here I'm implementing next, which is optional item. Peekable next, mutable self, so it's Peekable IT. If self peaked tag then some part, and I'm gonna have to do this. Otherwise, iter. So iter is I. Wait, no. Oh my god. Yeah, iter is T. Nigel, why? Why would you not name your generics properly? Name generics with words, not letters. I'm starting to get lost with them. Um, so this shouldn't really work. And then if I just finish on this part, I'm gonna replace self-picked by none. Const auto tmp. Using single characters to different from concrete types. Why do you use words for associated types then? Option of what? Of I. None. Because I is it. I stands for iterator, right? Wrong. Oh, also I swapped T and I apparently. Somehow. Because you can never use an associated type on its own. It's always oh, good point actually. But like in C, when I'm in C land and I'm transpiling your code to C, it just doesn't work like that. I think this should work, not quite. IOTA was not declared. Where have I left IOTA? IOTA! IOTA! Line 75. Okay. Oh, this is because speakable TI. And this is I. Yeah, I've cheated a little bit. It's fine though. Peakable peak. I kind of want to get like my transpiler to work with generics already, so that I don't have to do those challenges like that. Maybe proof of concept compiler, who knows. So yeah, I wish I could have a little bit of more tests. A little bit more tests. I think you won't mind if I just go ahead and copy some. Oh my god, why is it zoomed in 170%? Although I will have to convert them a little bit. I'm also gonna use this. Wait, no. I'm not doing this. I'm not gonna implement option to option equality anymore again. It's not that hard, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna hope it works. I guess I couldn't wrap it, to be honest. You know, actually, I guess I couldn't wrap it. Also, you don't need to use a trait. You don't need to have a trait in scope anymore to use message from it. Here. Because, yeah, messed up thing. Const auto, or actually not const, just auto iota new. Now, if I do iota next, also I think I can actually like do dot simple iter impl, but I just for the sake of tests, I'm just gonna do iota next. Also, why is this called iota? It scroll too far. The use of use in Rust almost makes it seem like an interpreted. Well, it doesn't to me anymore because Rust is Rust. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a reference here, and I am gonna unwrap this option. Option unwrap. And for now I'm gonna comment this out. Yes, this works. Wait. Now I'm gonna make peekable. Can finally use auto. Okay, this time I'll have to iota simple iter impl dot peekable. Wait, I can't pass a reference. Yeah, right. Assert equality. So I need to peek first. What is peek? Peekable peek. It's an iota. Because I don't think that's in any traits. And then you also need to option unwrap it. This feels like I'm writing an interface for like Lua or something. For a scripting language. Okay, errors. Cassert. You're angry at me. Unwrap. Peekable peek. How the compile time scope. The word names that environment for env for environment is dynamic. Whatever. Oh my god, my brain doesn't work anymore. Okay, what's wrong? Macro assert pass 2 arguments. Oh, that's why. Yeah, that's pretty simple to fix. With iterator. Here. It works, and now if I just actually copy like this layout here. So it's 456. And I can do iota, except this is gonna be peekable. Peekable iota, so this should be something like that. What's wrong? Peekable next. Trying to convert iota to a pointer. What? Okay, messed up on peekable next for some reason with pointers. Peekable next. Oh, because this should be a reference, right? Makes sense. Makes total sense. Okay, tests work. Tests run. Let's go. Now, for some reason, I need piano. Oh my god. Which includes even more traits. Nigel, what were you doing? Should I clip those into videos, by the way? And call the playlist Nigel's killing me? Wait, yeah, that's an enum. Tag. Oh, by the way, where was I using boxes? I forgot to do manual memory management. Here, bin 3. Bin 3 contains boxes. And anything else? I don't think anything else. I forgot to add drop for bin 3. Bin 3 drop. And I'm gonna do it properly. Self the tag. Leaf. Actually, I'm only gonna do left and left right. Actually, I'm gonna make it real quick. If self tag equals left right, I'm gonna drop right. Wait, I left derive somewhere. Hold on, I do need to add the same for node though. Also, is there no new? Oh wait, there's no root, right? Drop as a binary tree. Probability. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Fairly fair. Oh, and also. Oh no, it's not gonna automatically. It's not gonna do memory management automatically, right? I don't wanna do drop traits. No, I don't wanna do destructors properly. No. Because binary tree. Wait, no, I don't really have to. I can run no destructors. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more for declaring. No, we will have to do this as well. So when dropped, not only I drop boxes, and yeah, box drop does drop internal value, but doesn't drop. Box does not know about drops of self internal values, so I have to do it manually. Because I was too lazy to do a drop trait. No drop. Why am I not using destructors? Well, because I said I'm gonna do it in C, but with generics and yeah, static members a little bit and namespace. Hi, Matt. It's going relatively well. Although I'm doing another challenge from Nigel of converting Rust to C. Yeah, partial Q is not going there. Oh my god, wait, you did partial Q. Don't say I have to do it now. I don't care. Not once. Also, I forgot to actually call the destructor. Wait, it's bin 3. No drop. Right, this right. Super chill. Have I done that conversation? What do you mean by have I done this conversation before? Okay, where am I? Yeah, drops. I guess I implemented drops now. Back to numbers. Oh, you needed partial. Oh, you. So I don't need partial key. Let's go! Yay! Wait, why am I doing struct? not once, not one. Also, I'm gonna do classic zero classic initializers, classic constructors static. I don't care about field zero. Oh no, I also have to do destructor for this one. Is it? Yeah, it's taking box of that. Field zero. Successor. No. Not. Oh, thanks God it's not generic. Not one. Not. Successor of box new of not zero. I think this should work, right? No, it doesn't. Somewhere semicolons. More semicolons. Oh my god, how can I miss so many semicolons? Field. Oh, and use without template arguments, right? Box new. Box of not. Oh wait. Box underscore new, right? Not one exists now. And destructor. So if self tag is successor, then self field 0 must be dropped. But first I also need to not drop the value. Okay, so I need to actually like test them. Oh, and then I also need to do trades. Oops. Should I do add trade? No. Nah. I'm not gonna do add trade. I don't care. I just don't care. I'm gonna do function. Oh, come on. Why? Why do you really want operator overloading? I used C++ not for that. But okay, if you want it so badly, I can give you operator overloading. I don't even remember how it works anymore. First time I ever used this in this. I'm pretty sure that's how you do operator overloading. Not. Oh wait, struct as well. Also, I can get rid of space. Parentheses or brackets, or whatever. What have I missed out here? Makes sense. Yeah, that works. Yeah, I know, but I'm not gonna re-implement that. I already said that. Okay, let's see. Match self, if 0, right hand side, if self. Also. Oh wow. Box new. And right hand side, wait, what? Successor of n. Oh, yeah, self field 0. Field 0. Plus. I'm not gonna use operator overloading no matter what. um, plus right hand side, which is, I mean, yeah, obviously. Should in theory. Oh, that's box. Yeah, right. Value. I need to dereference it because I didn't operator overloading for box. Was too lazy. Here we go with not add. From net and into net now. Internet. 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 Whatever. Trades. I don't care about contracts. Why did you do this to me, Nigel? Why did you do this to me? Oh, by the way, I'm not gonna implement a trade for size T. Not yet. Not with the generic system. I have done Rust2C before. Exactly, Rust2C. Right now I'm doing Rust2C++, but I have done Rust2C. Yeah, it was not letting me paste the link in chat. Oh my god, I'm so tired. How long have I been streaming for? 2 hours. How am I so tired when I've been streaming for just 2 hours? That's insane. From that, oh, template. Name self, self from net. I think I'm getting better, by the way. What? No! Nigel, I have to admit, I give up. No, it's just 2 hours. It's just 2 hours and I'm already tired. But yeah, that's true. I can't go for long. Almost done. I'm not almost done. I can't finish it within 10 minutes. Unless I like give up on trades. Actually, I do give up on trades because I can't implement them anyway. Also, why did you do from net and into net? Oh, I'm just gonna call them from net value with size t. No, size t, not int. Match value. If 0 returns 0. Skip all net stuff. No, I'm not gonna skip net stuff. I am gonna try to do it quickly. Okay. From net. Can you read chat, please? It's only used in wait. Yeah, I know. Still. Wait. From net value. Yeah, value. Value. Field 0. Value. Deref. Add 1 to this. And then internet. Return 0 or else return successor. To oops, into net of this I think that works. Oh my god, it doesn't. What 332? Oh wait, not size T. So dumb. Yeah, you wanna see it? I can just. Oh my god, it took me so long, to be honest, to figure it out. But I didn't really put much time into it. The third party. I did a little bit. Misaka, Misaka actually. So yeah, that's just a little bit. It took me quite a while to figure out that this has to be an X, and this has to be an X or XY or XYZ or XYZW. Because assembler did not care. But yeah, it was pretty fun. I kind of wanna gather a lot of people and ask them to run a piece of code that will like organize the airships in a grid and play bad apple on them or something. That would be pretty hard though. That would be pretty hard. I would be lucky if I can get 4x4 matrix. I would be very lucky. And I would be lucky if I get a matrix. Not even consider synchronizing colors and not even consider like encoding bad apple into that because it's not gonna fit. But yeah, it would be pretty cool. Anyway, where was I? Now I can actually do binary tree add. A little bit left. A little bit left. Wait, node wait. Template type name D. No. Why did you do this? Wait, not no. Is it node? Was node? It is node. Node. Type name N. I'm not gonna care about street bounds. I probably it's not gonna work. A little bit so self const node of D pointer self. Using namespace. Oh, it's not gonna work, is it? Why did you organize the code like this? Like you knew I'm gonna have to move this. You knew that, didn't you? I mean, I guess you didn't think about it. Also, why is it called piano? You didn't answer. You still didn't tell me. He's writing. Why is there? Oh. Oh, so piano is actually the term for nut. What is nut then? Oh, natural, right? This node. Hold on, what is this comment? What is this comment? Representation of natural numbers. Okay, good. Not one. Pretty sure it's not underscore one plus. I'm not gonna do a ternary. The weight of a subtree has to be included in the node itself. Oh, it has to include. Oh, okay, right. Subtree. So I'm gonna const out of this. And yeah, operator overloading does come in handy. Although I don't think you. Oh, ow, ow. That's why you did it. Why did you even introduce n here? I'm actually wondering. Additive representation of natural number. So I don't know. I know. I do know. If self shape tag. Okay, more of a challenge. It's not more of a challenge. I can't even understand code because of this. Okay, so what is it? Binary tree, or is it bean tree? It's bean tree. Bean tree, what is it? Leaf. So auto sub 3 equals not 0. And I'm also, why is 0 a natural number? Let me just ask you real quick. Why? I mean, I know you're not gonna be able to do this without 0, but now you say it's a natural number. Oh, wait, no. Is 0 a natural number? It's not. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Thank you, Google. Math as obvious. As always. Mathematicians are just like that. I also remember learning that n is 1, 2, and w is 0. 1 and up, and w is 0 and up. Interesting. So left. I'm gonna simplify it a little bit again. Just like I did before. So I'm gonna add left, and then I'm gonna add right. Or I guess I'm gonna set to left. Temporary. Oh, also, FromNet and IntoNet are not implemented for... Oh no, don't say you actually used usize there. Wait, what? How does it... Wait, what? How does it even work? Hold on. Your generics are messing with me. Wait, I removed the implementation. No, I didn't. I'm asking about a different thing. Or did I remove it actually? Oh my god, there's more to it. Line 173. Yes, that's exactly not what I was asking about. I did keep it. My question is, I actually implemented this, if you didn't remember, if you don't remember. My question is, why net does not implement FromNet and IntoNet? I'm pretty sure. Which means, how this was supposed to work? Oh wait, or is it only implemented? Oh, those those are just... Oh my god, this is the direction issue. Oh my god. Wait, where are you? Oh my god, that's awful. That's so rude. Rude. It's rude. Sub 3 now. I need to sub 3. Plus right weight. So let's see. Weight of left. It's self shape left. Shape left. Value, which is the pointer, and now I need to do node weight of n at using n here, and then I need to apply IntoNet on this. To net. How have I selected this using Alto and it worked? I wonder. Also, you know that I will have to like spend 2 more hours to debug this stuff from net. Line 182. This self tag equals not 0. Self was not declared. Oh, value, right. Now line 193. Cannot convert net to box of net. Right. I forgot to box new. It's actually pretty nice. Did I do destructors, right? I did destructor. I did all the destructors, right? Oh, where's the destructor for net? Oh, there it is. Oh, that does also mean I have no idea. I have missed like so many destructors actually. So, because when I add stuff, where is not add? So here I'm just returning right hand side. So I need to drop self. Right. And here I'm probably gonna need to drop both of them. Yeah, I am gonna eventually drop this. Oh my god. Okay, no, I'm not gonna deal with distractors. Nah, sorry. It's gonna be too complicated. Operator plus. Where is it? Where is it? Line 295. Here. Wait, what? Again? 296. Node weight. No, C is fine. C++, yeah. Do not use C++ ever again. Also, I should probably refresh YouTube chat. Because I forget to. C is fine. C++, yeah, right. C is fine, you're just not gonna be writing C like that. You're never gonna be writing C like that. You hate C++ too? Yay. I mean, I'm not sure if I should have like sent such a hate wave towards C++. Oh, also I forgot to return this. Then like today's evening I'm gonna go to Develops from Scratch stream and he's just gonna hate me if he ever finds out what I said about C++. He's gonna kill me, ban me from the chat. Auto type specifier, what? Node weight function with trailing return type not declared with auto. Oh my god, what is? Oh, yes, that's because C++ actually supports the syntax, right? Okay, now what? Template, use without template. 300. Right. I think it's like that. Yay, it compiles. Compiles. I don't know how I'm gonna balance it. Like, if there are any implementation errors, I don't know Odin. You know that I don't know like a lot of languages. So if there are any implementation errors, I'm not debugging this. I'm not. You haven't even provided many tests for me. Oh, and also add for nodes. Do I do operator overloading? I don't. Right. Node add. Do I do traits? No, I don't either. Fortunately, you're not using them. Excuse me. I'm a human transpiler. You literally wrote it in title. I make mistakes everywhere and everywhere. Just being honest. Okay, let's see if you're. Next time, I invite you to stream together, and you do this, and you tell me, and I'm gonna give you like a single test where it's gonna be comparing strings of something, and um, it's gonna compare a string of like the whole program state with a line that's like 20,000 characters long. And I'll see how you're gonna handle it. Also, you did destructor. This destructuring, or rather. Why? Did you do this just to make me angry? I know that you did it just to make me angry. Um. Also, you were not supposed to name variables like that. No, I don't care about like references. I said you destructured self. Like here, where it's self. Here, this line. Why? You did this just to make me angry. I know that. We all know that. Actually, I do need to. You needed ownership of shape. Oh, right. I trust that. Right. I mean, I guess you did. Um. So what's this pin 3? Shape tag. Also, is shape a box? Uh, might be, might not. I don't think it is. Wait, box pin 3. What's happening to me now? Let's start with leaf. Then we'll do left of box new right hand side. What? Now, otherwise, if it's left. Oh, and you also destructured that as well, right? Wait, that's not destruction anyway. Left, right. Left is this, right is box reach, whatever. Shape. Left. Why? No. Why will you kill me? Shape tag, binary tree. Twitch did not like this message. Shape. Wait, do I need guards? I do need guards. So left, right, if, left, wait, node, wait, left pointer. Oh my god, this is gonna be so annoying. Shape left value is less than. Oh, and you also pass size t here, right? Shape right value. Marked as aggression. Both. What do you mean both? I only see one. Anyway, right value. Oh, so yeah, that compared. Then the new shape is left right, or left is box new. I'm not gonna do drops. Node add left value. At least I have I see the references. Hi, Suvad. I know you're new here because I don't remember your name. I normally don't do this type of things, this type of things, but right now I'm converting Rust to C, Rust to C++ manually. To be fair, I asked for that. Oh wait, is it RHS? Oh, it is RHS. To be honest, I don't know how binary trees really work. Oh, so right hand side is box new RHS, right? I mean, maybe I don't, you know. Anyway, left, same as left. Shape left. Right is box new right plus RHS. Node add. Oops. Oh, this feels wrong. Oops. Where am I? I'm using RHS here twice. I should be using right here instead. Yeah, this should be right instead. It should be just right. Shape right. This is pretty difficult. But look, it's more compact now. Yay. Not add RHS, so I need to add this to right. Shape right value. By the way, is addition, can I swap, so like, does this add work if I do a plus b equals b plus a? I don't remember what it's called in English. Sorry, my brain doesn't work anymore. Oh, and you also did it immutably. I mean, sure, I guess. So now I need to return node of the data shape, new shape. Commutativity. Maybe. I don't think I have ever used this word in English, to be fair. Oh, template, right. Template type name D. Now this should compile, yeah, but that's without type checking, because C++ doesn't type check on generic methods and C later call, but apparently it does. Not compile. Without, oh, use without template 3.1 to 3.12. Right, easy enough. New shape. Line, which one? 3.1, 3.12 still. Oh, this one as well. Expected parenthesis. Oh no. 3.17. I have messed up parenthesis somewhere. Huh. Oh, right. That was a little bit simpler. And I thought, click the semicolon before closing parenthesis. Oh wait, this return. He just went crazy, started recompiling all three-seater grammars. Huh? That is interesting. Now finally we can actually do type checking on this. Node root. Option unwrap. IOTA next. IOTA. That's new, and then p equals a node add. Is it bin3? Bin3 node add. Okay, does it work? Oh wait, this doesn't work, right? For size t I equals 0, I less than 100 I plus plus. Now I need to fix quite a few things probably. Let right. Stop. No matching function for call 315. No wait, actually I should scroll up here. Line 312. Invalid use of non-static data member left. Wait, what? Oh, it's left underscore. Right. I mean left. Now what's up? Node weight size t bin3 node pointer constant percent. What? Line 315. So no matching function for call for right value actually. Huh? How is that different from left value? Call candidate this node t pointer. This node pointer. So D size type. Right. Node T. Oh, template argument deduction substitution failed. Oh wait, I forgot to provide two of those. Or actually the first one is D. And the second one is N. Yeah, I'm so dumb. HTML is not string complete. Oh, start HTML, forget Rust. Actually, HTML is string complete, but you need HTML with CSS, some later version. Yeah, I don't remember. Okay, also if I wanted to try getting headphones and monitoring my audio. Oh, you want to see my revenue? Which one do I need? This page, right? I mean, there isn't much to see. I actually don't know which one I need to show. So this is the payouts, which I didn't have payouts yet, but since I sent all my documents to Tipalti, or Tipalti actually, I got payable status eligible. I don't know if I am eligible in reality. Well, I am eligible, but I don't know if it's gonna work because Swift in Belarus, but might not. Never knows. And yeah, right now it's $16 estimated revenue for August, 23. But I'm not sure if it's up to date. I mean, I guess it is actually. Total estimated 446. I don't know. Like, Twitch probably needs to subtract taxes from that, but I don't know for sure. Update your payout method. I can't. I don't have e-check or local bank payout because Belarus. Anyway, so yeah, that's hopefully that's what you wanted to see or what wanted to know. I can probably start monetizing on YouTube soon, by the way. So that's like more interesting part. If I let me just I mean, yeah, let me just here. Oh, this grew. This grew during the stream. So yeah, we're heading to 2.2 almost 3,000 views, which is pretty cool. Anyway, let me. Oops, I closed Twitch. It's not what I wanted to do. It was a good choice. I do want to make YouTube videos, to be fair, because this is my second channel and it outgrew my main one. I do like streaming on Twitch more than though. Because YouTube chat is a bit annoying. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna finish editing the GMTK video and upload it to my... Anyway, let's see. He request for member shape and self, which is of pointer type const bin3. Maybe use arrow line 300. Yes, that's because I need arrow here. Arrows here. Arrows here. Because C++. Okay, now what? Line 300. Wait. 300 set. What else? No matching function call node wait. Oh yeah, right. I need dn. Also, is there? Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's see if it worked. Let's see if it worked. Actually, you should do f is equal to this. I think it worked. Let's go! Okay, let's go. I'm never doing this again. But I am sending this to my friend. I sent this to my friend. And he was impressed, I guess. I wanna make another guest. I mean, yeah, I do need to hydrate as well. A little bit. I just did it. I mean, I can do another. Okay, how do I create a GitHub game? To be fair, this was much more tiring than I thought it would be. So yeah, we're ending the stream there. A new and harder challenge from Nigel. Converting Rust to C/C++. I don't know if it's gonna help or not. I actually don't know if I can. If I actually don't know what to do with Orco, cause yeah, stuff. We'll see. Challenge RS and challenge C. PP actually CPP. Oh no, I copied it. No. Here. here it is if you wanna print it and hang it onto the wall. Onto your wall. I could. I don't know, like, if anyone actually needs it. I do. So how are the lines doing? 204 lines of C++ and 361. Oh, actually, the opposite. What is it? Almost twice as much. 1.7 times as much lines of code, I think, approximately. Did I leave any comments there? No, I didn't. But I mean, to be fair, I implemented option and like box and display. So that's mean minus 50 lines. So I guess it's 1.5 times more in reality. Because of all the traits and stuff I had to do for them. Anyway, I'm pretty tired. 240. I mean, not bad. So ultimate LSP for Zig. For HTML and Zig. Anyway. Let me see what time it is for me. Wait. Date. I use date to find out time. 5 to 6 p.m. What does it say to me? Nothing. Also, Nigel, you didn't unlurk. Still. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just end here. Welcome back. Yeah, this actually is pretty relaxing. Yes. It was gonna take me a while though. Also, I don't remember how I went up here. Wait, actually, I don't really need to. I can just look at it. Yeah, I planted it and I jumped there, and then I did another thingy. So did I go to this tower, Nigel? Did I already go to this tower? You were saying it goes you were saying it goes lower. Can I do the same thing? Oh, wait. I did not. There is something there. I really wish I had zoom. How did I get there then? I don't even remember. I wonder how they do the generation of stuff. Okay, I'm jumping down. I want to get to the tower, alright. Oh, I do? I still want to know, how did I get up? Oh wait, I think I did it, might have did it, something like that. Might have done something like that. Let me collect the thing. So I need to find another plant, apparently. Where can I go? Like other things. Also, I think this is gonna break soon. No, it's not. What is the way I went? I think no, I think I didn't. Okay, let me see. No, I didn't. How do I get it? Oh, here. Wait, what is this? What is this? Is this the thing to break bars? Because I don't remember how I got up there, and I was like, what? Yes, most probably. I don't even remember. Okay, because I think there is, yeah, it's not. How can, what can I use it for? What is it? I feel like there is something missing in this slot. Also, is it... Are those interactable in any way? Yeah, left and right click. Left click, holding even right click, holding. Holding right click, I don't know. I think it does repetitively with like anything. Yeah, even my hand. Maybe I need another key. What's my auxiliary one? AUX1. I forgot what it does. Where are keybinds? Oh, here they are. It's F for, it's F for like offhand. No, it doesn't do anything. What is it useful for? And where? What should I do now? Yeah, let's see where I could possibly go, where I haven't been before. Also, I have no idea where the guy that was talking is. Also, there's a staircase here. Also, what's that? In the northeast corner outside castle. What's this? First of all. Second of all. Cave type of thing at the northeast of the castle. Well, I have no idea where the north is, to be honest. There's this thing. But I don't think that's what he meant, because it's not a corner. Also, what's there? Next roll forward with relation to. So, where does entrance point? Yeah, I know that's where I came from. I didn't even know there was a cave thing. Or at least I don't remember any. Also, I don't know where east is. I mix east and west. Right here. Right there. Behind me. Huh. Oh, there's a hole. Probably not it. Look at it from different years. With it being... What? So this is the start. I see nothing here. Except that I can probably go up this high. That's about it. It was right in front of me, what? Or you mean this? Wait! There is the entrance! What? I did not notice. It's not breaking though, so I guess I do need the thing that breaks bars. What is this? So the large crystal exists, right? So, oh, also, nice. Also, oh, you changed it. Nice. Good mod. Maybe this says anything. There's one more thing to get right on top of castle. I mean, up there is a crystal. Oh, castle entrance, wait. Also, this... So is it there somewhere? I'm gonna roll back a little. I don't think there is anything. Look from inside. Okay, I wanna enter inside. Wait, it's not gonna let me. Why is it not letting me go? Oh, that's because that. I mean, like. Oh, wait. That's. How do I get up there? I mean, I guess I can use a tree or something. How far do I plant it? Yeah, that's not helpful. Hold on. I guess I could have just used a tree, like... I mean, I guess using a tree like just 1 year later is the way. I still don't get what this thing does. What's not letting me? Huh? Okay, here we go. Oh wait, I can't. I guess I could put. Why is it not? Huh? I guess I could put this here, and it would grow a little higher. I see you. Okay, I see another thing. This, like, what are those? No, maybe it's used to place. Okay, maybe this is used to place bars. No. But I can now break them. Great. And this only took embarrassingly long amount of time. And attempts. And hints. Okay, now I can get the third one. I don't really remember which timeline it is. And yeah, those things disappear, don't they? Those 4 things definitely disappear. Is it a second tree? There's one more empty slot in my inventory. I assume that might be the crystal itself. But who knows. So I wonder what this is. In another year. Yeah, good point. Okay, let's just go for the first one. And I think that I already missed it. So, oh my god, I can barely see it. Well, I know I can't see it. I don't even know if I broke it or not. Also, can I roll forward within the thing? Yeah, now I'm enclosed. Yeah, I think I picked it up. Artifact, yeah. Cause I couldn't even feel it. Ancient amulet. Holds some sort of magical power waiting to be unlocked. Midget jewelry. One, 2, 3, 4. I need to unlock 4 more items. Not only that, I probably want to talk to the guy. Under the in the thing. In the cave. Also, this is the same one, right? Or is it not? No, it's not. It grows faster. It definitely grows faster. Can give me holes in the walls. Look at this physics. Did I talk to this guy through most of the things already? Or did I not? No, I fell. Did I miss this guy, should I ask? Did I miss any of his dialogues? And are any of them really important? I feel like I missed them all. A lot of them at least. Nope. Nope for did I miss, or nope for not important. Okay, let me go to first here. Which one? I used this one, right? Not important. Yeah, I guess that. Okay, how did I get there last time? Or I think it was actually a different side. Is there a hole in the side of the wall already? I think there is. This one. What's this one? There are too many holes. I thought I wouldn't make it. Okay, how did I get up last time? Might have been from this side. Wait, I was climbing the. I was climbing which one? When I was climbing, I think I was climbing there. Yeah, I need one more year, and I will be able to see. Oh, updated runtime. Yeah, there. And I will need to place it here approximately. No, I clicked the wrong one. It's fine. I just looked away to check the name of the redeem. Make sure it's not called Mind Test, but it's called Bluenty. And they just fell. Oh, come on. I haven't done my parkour dodge yet. Wait, I do need to figure out the block though. I think it was one of those. Careful. Here, okay, here. We're actually here probably. No, okay, no, this last year does not have any holes. Oh, can I actually parkour my way up, back up? Might be able to. No, I fell. Okay, no, I'm not. Apparently. It's updating live. Wait, need to look forward. I wonder what this is useful for. Like, I really wanna know. It's a thing in my. The thing in my inventory, after all. Actually, I think I can make this jump. Yeah, I can. Was just a challenge. Here. I think it can go here. Which one? This one. We'll see. Okay, and second, please. Okay, how did I get up there? How did I go up this tree? No way I could cheese it, so I guess it's parkour. Huh. How did I get up this tree last time? Oh wait, there is a hole here. But that's not what I need, right? No, I wasn't. Was I? Might have been using. Maybe I used like the other place, but not the other tree. And yeah, no, I was using this specific one. Wait, can I? There's nothing here. So I only had those two, and no, I used the stem. I think I can cheese it. Although I'm not sure if it's easy at start. Okay. No. Game. I'm glad I didn't fall all the way down. But yeah, I don't think this jump is makeable. I guess I could put it here, but I don't think this would be the solution. Okay, if I'm so bad at this. Add over. Oh great. Now you gotta watch me go all the way back again. 10 minutes over. But I wanna recall how I went up. How did we go up the tree? Like this way. It's not gonna let me. Cause like this is a 4-block high. Oops. 4-block high. So I at least need to go from 3 blocks high. Are there any 3-block high thingies? Like anywhere? I mean, on the center. I could use the second plant, but apparently it's not necessary, and it's gonna be useful later. How did I get up? Oh, the block that's the block that goes down. Vertically under the second level. No, wait. It was this one. This one, I'm pretty sure. The corner. Or I can at least place it on the corner for sure. And I should be able to go up at least somehow. Somewhat. Well, I still need like one more one more of height. Because I don't think there is a block that's lower than this level. Yeah, I probably used something like this one instead. Which one? My stupid. I guess I am. What happens to it in the future? Well, it grows nice and strong. It was 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was there, and yeah, I could go to the corner, and then I guess from there I could climb up. or something. But I'm pretty sure it was somewhere like here. More to this side. Also, I feel like I jumped from like here. Which is obviously not makeable right now. Maybe here. Maybe it's this. No, well, no, it's too far. I don't think I can make this jump. I don't think. How? Maybe from this side. I guess I could try from this thing. Also, the jump isn't necessarily impossible. Oh, yay. No, I fell. No. No. I just done a Neo. What in Minecraft parkour would be called a Neo. It's not that hard because we don't have acceleration here. Okay. Okay. And now I just need to get up. No! I was so close! What are you lilling about? Yeah, I did not think I could make this jump. But apparently I can. Entire time travel. I have no idea how you've done this. Apparently I'm doing this game differently. Boy taking high, welcome back. Nigel, why are you using this and not parentheses as well? By the way, we've done another Rust to C, or rather C++ in this case, challenge. Maybe you'd like not this kind of brackets. Those are not very welcoming, or are they? I mean, everyone chooses whatever. Wait, I forgot to time travel there. Wait, it is kind of like translating. Oh, did I? Did I? No. It's not that hard. I need to get myself together. The last Neo is pretty hard. I make myself do Neo. What's the difference is transpilation is kind of a way of compilation. So you compile something by translating it to a different language. I guess. Kinda. No, I forgot. No! I need to stop. Wait, I'm wrong here. Come on. What's wrong with me? I know I just spent 2 hours converting Rust to C++, which is not something I would ever think I would do. Wait, no. Those mid-air time travels are just killing me. Okay, that's a little too far. Okay, so I have right one selected. Now I click and then jump. Here we go. Here we go. And can I actually make this jump? I think I can. Yay, finally. Now I have two trees, but yeah, time is over. The time, we're at the end of time, but anyway. I wish I had a character here, but no. Exit to OS. Okay. I don't know if I can really do anything after this. Oh, and yeah, by the way, wait again. If you want, you can scroll up and chat. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere there. Actually, you probably won't see it because it's too far. Wait, what did I just do? What did I just press? Huh? I might have pressed this. Anyway. Ooh. Yeah. So yeah, conditions are probably gonna have to wait for another time. At least I mean, I at least have a chance to think them through a little bit. Boom's live. I have never watched Boom's stream. Have you counted the O's, by the way? I'm pretty sure there were 20. Trying to modeling a cube. And then playing something.
Did I leave the ocean?
We raided them. I know we raided them.
The navigation? Yeah, there you go. Type
That
anime.
one, right? So yeah, Nigel, you wanna raid? Suggestions. I'm like, I mean, kinda Nigel kinda does all the work for me at this point. Like I do not add the guide. I do not have guide the raid reading because that's why. Okay, let's see. I'm just chatting. FBIGUT.
U nás sme
Wow, politics.
zobrali ozaj zodpovedne a v rámci toho sme začali konať.
Is it what? Is it Polish or something? Yeah, I don't know this language. From Czechia, I'm pretty sure. Not sure. Anyway, you, I'm gonna drop it on you. You have 1 minute to figure out who to raid. Okay, fine, 2 minutes. That's rude, I guess. Start now. Unlurk, welcome back. Unlurk, Unlirk. And oh. Well, yeah, I guess you don't really need my timer. Yeah, sure. I can. Anyway, so see you. Wait a second. Okay. That's never ending. I am keeping the timer. So you only have like 1 min left. Uh, no, this is kind of funny. What's happening on the YouTube side? Oh, you're streaming Voita. Oh, what how do you pronounce it? Voita. I guess. I guess. Consent. I can't talk after that. Okay, you're rating. Okay, sure. What? What a profile picture. Yeah, it was even worse last time. To be fair. Anyway, thanks everyone for joining, and I will see you next time. I actually can't. What happens if they are not streaming? Oh. Okay, timer ran out. So you either have to do this or not. First of all, they are streaming. Second of all, if they are not streaming, you can still raid. I can. Wait, oh. Was it me? Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know. Raid browser, not me. Sorry. Please do it again. Sorry. Anyway. Next time I'll figure out how to get raids a little quicker. Do this again, Nigel. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna press anything. Thanks everyone for joining. I'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to participate in the scripting language tournament over on Discord. See you. Bye. Of course, Raid didn't take me with it.